smiles and says, "Hello!" Now it's time to learn and grow. My school day, my school day. I learn and play every day. I like my class, I like my friends. School is fun from start to end. At lunchtime, I eat my food. I say thank you, and I'm in a good mood. I drink some water, I sit with a friend. Then lunchtime comes to an end. In the afternoon, I read and write. I use my pencil, I hold it right. I have my book on my desk. I listen, think, and do my best. My school day, my school day. I learn and play every day. I like my class, I like my friends. School is fun from start to end. On the playground, I run and play, I jump and laugh. On a sunny day, I like the swings, I like the slide. My friends are playing by my side. At the end of school, I pack my bag. I put my book inside my backpack. I say goodbye and wave my hand. My school day was really great. My school day, my school day. I learn and play every day. I like my class, I like my friends. School is fun from start to end.